Now let's go over various strategies and tips for investing in cryptocurrency for the long term. I've been involved with cryptocurrency and stocks since around 2011, so I've had plenty of time to see what works and what strategies don't work. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can show you the investing strategies that worked for me over the years. Over time, everyone will eventually develop their own investing strategies and techniques that work for their individual skill set through experience and practice. Some strategies that work for some people may not be suitable for others. Until you gain adequate experience, you can use and test out the strategies in this section to help you get started. If you plan to invest in cryptocurrency and hold for a long period of time, it can be dangerous to purchase your entire position all in one transaction. If you happen to buy at a top, right before a pullback, you will spend a lot of time waiting to make your initial investment back instead of profiting from the gains. It is much safer to accumulate your position over time by purchasing at certain price levels using one or more of the strategies we will discuss in this section. There are many reasons one might choose to purchase or invest in cryptocurrency. You can purchase in order to actually use it, or you can invest to hold, expecting the price to increase over time in order to profit from the gains. If you purchased just $10 worth of Bitcoin in 2009 and held, you would be a millionaire today. Some people may see cryptocurrency as a simple speculation, but I personally consider it an exciting investment with unlimited potential. I truly believe in the idea behind cryptocurrency and the innovation of the blockchain technology. We can already see how this decentralized technology is starting to change industries around the world and the way people make transactions. In this section, we will go over various investing strategies that you can implement to accumulate and invest in cryptocurrency. Most people that get into cryptocurrency will end up losing money. Not because it's not a good investment, but because they didn't develop a strategy. If you are serious about investing in any asset, you should always perform adequate due diligence and have a solid game plan to both enter and exit the market. Cryptocurrency has frequent short-term 30 to 50% swings both positively and negatively. Some beginners can have the best intentions of holding cryptocurrency for years, but they check the price multiple times per day, and when the price falls rapidly below their purchase price, they typically become anxious and usually sell. And 9 times out of 10, the price goes right back up above their purchase price within days and sometimes even hours. There is a time to sell, but it should only be based on the strategy that you developed beforehand and never based on your current emotional state. We will also discuss some of the investing and trading terminology used by cryptocurrency investors. You always want to become familiar with the language in order to have an intelligent conversation with other investors and not look like a noob. And finally, we will take a look at investing in ICOs. With an ICO or initial coin offering, you're not really investing in the cryptocurrency itself, but more so the project or company behind the coin. We will discuss the differences between cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and ICO tokens, and also how you can find and invest in various ICO projects. So let's take a look at some of the investing strategies we will be covering. I made each strategy an individual video for easier browsing and so I can continue to add more strategies to the course over time. The volatility of cryptocurrency can either be your worst nightmare or your best friend. Timing is everything. We will go over strategies that you can implement to help you take advantage of these wild swings in order to accumulate your cryptocurrency at the best prices possible. We will be discussing strategies such as averaging into your positions by making scheduled recurring purchases and purchasing at support levels by setting price alerts on your smartphone. When investing in cryptocurrency, you also want to make sure you use the safest and most secure storage methods available. You don't want to store for extended periods of time or hold large amounts of cryptocurrency on an online exchange or an online wallet, for example. These are great for purchasing and trading, but are prone to hacks and other vulnerabilities such as government seizures. We will go over which wallet types are best for large amounts of cryptocurrency or for storing your coins for the long term. I will be adding more strategies to the course as I create new content, so be sure to look out for the latest tips. Let's get started.